Hello, welcome to the property tour for 1612 Houston Street out in Plainview, Texas. As you can see, the front yard is beautifully landscaped and kept in really good shape. Here's the front of the house, and then the yard is fenced off from the front, and then there's the driveway on the side where the two trucks are. The front has a covered patio where you can sit outside. Here's the living room, has very nice hardwood floors. A really big living room. Here's the fireplace. And it has the mantle as well. On the left side of the living room is a bonus room, or it could be used as a fourth bedroom. This room has carpet. So yeah, you can use this again as a fourth bedroom or a second living area or an office even. And then going back through here is the fireplace again. And then there's a hallway right here that has two of the three main bedrooms. This one's the master. As you can see, these are brand new floors and lots of space. A really big bed with all the furniture, and there's still plenty of room. And then here's the other side of that. And then here's the master bathroom. And then here's the tub. It's got the tub with the jets in it. And then so going back across the master bedroom again, lots of space, and the walls are painted really well. And then here's the closet right there. And then going back now out across the hall, here's the second bedroom, and this room will have floors put in just like the floors in the master bedroom. So they'll have the new floors put in. Again, there's the closet right here, and with the furniture and the large bed, there's still plenty of room in this bedroom. And then this is actually the floors that they're going to be putting in. So these floors will be installed. So coming back through this little hallway across into the living room, right here is the kitchen. And as you can see, it's a really large kitchen with a big eating area. It's a huge table that they have in here. Nice countertops. The dishwasher stays and has the vents. And then the stove and oven will stay. And then the microwave will stay as well. So nice backsplash. And nice countertops and cabinets. Again, plenty of room for the table. And then going down through here is there's the automatic light that's coming on right now. And then here's the third bedroom. And it is also big. Has a nice floor in it like the living room. It's got a closet. Plenty of room here. Coming back through now to the laundry room, which also has the second bathroom in it. It's very nice. The nice thing about having the laundry room here is that it's separate from the kitchen and it's closed off, so you won't hear the washing machine running or anything. That's your toilet, sink, and then your nice shower. Very nice work done there. And then so this bathroom is across from that third bedroom and it has lots of space. So now going back through the kitchen, you'll find yourselves outside on the back porch. And it's a deck, a really nice deck, plenty of shade and room for entertaining. It's in very good shape. And then this storage shed right here actually will not be staying with the property. And then the one on the front left will not be staying either, but the two large buildings will be staying. So coming down the steps here into the yard, the lot is a little over 1/4 of an acre. And then here's the siding on the house. It's in very good condition. And then the fence is a metal fence, and it's also in very good condition. So this building right here, again, will not be staying with the property. But the grass is kept up nicely, and then plenty of space for all of your outdoor activities. And then this one right here will be staying, so you can have this for a shop. And then here's this other patio that's got the lights and everything set up. So you can do lots of other entertaining options right there. And then it has this really large tree next to it for great shade. So now let's go and look into this building here. This one you could use as a garage or as like a man cave, an office, kind of a second apartment area. It has power, so it has outlets. It's got this here. It also has a sink on the other wall. So lots of useful things that you can have in this building besides just storage. And then there is the third bathroom. So it's just a half bath. It has the toilet and the sink. And then in the main house, then the plumbing has been done. The electric is all new, and it's got a brand new panel box as well. So you won't have to worry about that for a while. There's also this door here is a way of entrance into the building besides the garage door. And that building also has a wall AC unit